Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making these watercolor effect paintings. So let's start. For this I'm using this canvas sheet. If you don't have this, you can use any other thick paper. So I'm cutting it into half and I'm going to cut this in half again. So this is a panel, and first I'm making the tree one. For that I'm drawing the tree using pencil. Apply some water on it and dab little green color here and there. Now I am dabbing yellow color and now little bit of blue. I'm starting with the trunk. First apply the water and then spread the color on it. Little bit black. You could use watercolor for these paintings. Since I didn't have watercolor, I used acrylic colors. Little bit more black. On the right hand side, I am gonna apply some water and little color. Here is where we are writing the quote. Let it dry. I'm taking the next panel and I'm drawing birds using the pencil. I'm making the background using pink and blue. First dab water and then put the color on it. For the birds, you will have to add little bit more color so that they'll be visible. Let it dry. Next I'm taking the next panel and I'm adding red, yellow and orange on it. I already dabbed water on it. I'm trying to merge it. So now this one is dry and I'm writing the quote using pencil first and now using the brush. My quote is walk by faith, not by sight. This one's also dry and now I'm going to write the quote on this. First I'm using pencil and writing the quote. And now using black acrylic color. The quote is, inhale the future and exhale the past. This panel is also dry. First I'm writing the quote using pencil. The quote is, everything is possible, even the impossible. Now I'm going to write it using black acrylic color. Since the birds are not visible clearly, I'm highlighting the birds using pencil. This is an optional step. Only 3 for today. I'll be making 3 more in my next video and making a beautiful wall decor with it. So stay tuned for that. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet by clicking on the subscribe button. Then click on the bell button and select all option. Give this video a thumbs up and do let me know your comments in the comment section. Bye.